Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to read messages of this phone to this phone. So how can I possible? So keep watching this video until then. Before starting my video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest news updates. So guys, first of all, open Play Store in your Android mobile and download this application. I hope this application have been already installed on your mobile. Open it and here is now guys, these are all my messages. Now open another Android mobile which you want to see the messages of this phone. Open Chrome and find out messages for web. Here is click on first website and now wait for some second. You can see appears on screen. Simply pair with QR code and now guys, on this phone click on top right corner, scroll down and here is device pairing. Now use click on it, scroll down and switching to QR code pairing. Now QR code scanner. Now scan this QR code. You can see. Wait for some second. You can see all the messages of this phone to this phone. You can read it. You can see appears on screen. My all this phone messages you can read on this phone. You can remotely see the messages of one phone to another phone by this method. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.